To be observed in honor, obviously, referee very.
We count down to the game.
Do Iadom into midfield. Now he goes. Raphael Amponsa, the fullback taking their time on the ball. Kelvin Osei Esibe, the captain. He looks up. That's a beautiful ball. In full. That champ has to book already. And Kamara comes up.
Showing the clear tactics of Coach Masudi Dramani. And Hamza Issa was a second away from kicking that ball, but good goalkeeping from goalkeeper.
It will be an in-swing guy, comes in, a good one, and it's been saved. Flicked over the crossbar by Kamara for a corner kick.
Rafael Amponsa wanted to catch the goalkeeper there, and well, is that a cross, is that a shot? Only the goalkeeper would know, and it was a good one. Goalkeeper was up to the task. Another corner kick for Accra Hearts of Oak. Hearts of Oak come forward, a chance for Hearts of Oak, a shot, a brilliant defending once again, Benghazi.
That was a chance for Hearts of Oak. Shot coming in, but it's been cleared, and out it goes for throw-in for Kotoko, thrown in by Seth Kwetu.
Into the game, Ben.
The Phobians will respond on the right side. They go now. Mawule Wayo on the ball now for Hearts of Oak. Can they move? Get a movement. Cross comes, a good one. Ball drops. It's a goal. Hamza Issa with the opening goal for Hearts of Oak. Brilliant goal by our standards. With a brilliant connection after a mistake and a howler from goalie Mohamed Kamara. Hearts of Oak 1, Kotoko 0.
Benghazi, what a gift. What a gift. It is not Boxing Day, but goalkeeper Kamara is out here giving gifts. And the first gift has been given to Hamza Issa on the silver plate. All he needed to do was poke it into the net. It was at his mercy, and there you have it. Look at it, the first goal of the 2025 President's Cup. Oh my, Benghazi. Kumasi Asante Kotoko are in trouble. The fans are up on their feet and singing, be quiet and don't be silly. And I can tell you that Kotoko will need a response quick and enough. If not, they'll leave to Kumasi with a bad song.
And so they will come again now. Patrick Cassidy on left side for Kotoko. He goes in field goal. He looks in the face of Captain Samba O'Neill of Kotoko for bringing down the Morocco Mercurial player. Free kick for Hearts of Oak. Cross comes to a good one. And Kamara saving, not on the first occasion, but fortunately recovered to save it for Kotoko.
Kamara would
infringement again. We are set. NP Emmanuel. He goes in a good one, but straight to Sharif Saub in goal for Hearts of Oak, who saves goal for the Phobian club.
You'll see a player of Accra Hearts of Oak there. Kotoko will need to have their game.
Good ball over the top now. On the ball now is the big man himself. Albert Tamwa with a chance. He shoots one. And it's been blocked by Captain Kelvin Osei Esibe. That was Albert Amwa with a shot. A ball again goes in field. Headed out by Kwendo Yadom. Kotoko come again now. Peter Amidou. Back to Peter Amidou again on the right side. Amidou goes back to his man. Amidou Peter. Oh, poor pass. And they will lose out. No one to make any mistake again. The Phobians on the ball now. A chance for Hearts of Oak. Good run. Ball steps in there. Chance still. And Kamara comes out. And this time around,
he makes amends, Benghazi.
The fourth referee. For the corner ball again. Oh, poor pass from the midfield. And another poor pass from Hearts of Oak can come. For the end of the first half, we'll end the first half. SCB has been replaced by David Opong Afrane. Amwa controls with his chest, but straight to the Phobia defense line. and cleared. Some distance though, but looks as though he'll go for a direct shot. Will he? He does so. A good one! Hits the upright. Chance to Kotoko, shot comes in. It drops. Chance to shot comes in. And what a miss from Albert Amoah. He cannot believe it. He just cannot believe his eyes. That was a glorious chance for Amoah. Look at it again. Shot was brilliant from entry. Came off the upright. A chance to look at it. Amoah had space to pick a spot. He could not. And he has missed it.
Brilliant free kick, my Benghazi. And he went direct for it. The goalkeeper had no answers to that. Trust me, if he had found a target, it would have been the equalizer. But Amoah had one simple task to just lay that ball into the net.
And Kotoko come again now through Amidou. Cross comes in, a goal! It is a goal! Lasso! An own goal it is for the Porcupine Warriors. Amidou's cross on the right side. The header came from Kounedu, but unfortunately for him, it was only to his own net. So look at it again. Amidou on a run into the box, and then the cross came in, and Kounedu heading the ball into his own net.
A day of gifts, Benghazi. I told you I am a prophet, and we are seeing Father Christmas here in the likes of Kounedu. Look at the posture of Abdul Karim Zito.
No emotions, even though his team has just pulled him in. Little emotions there, but the Fulham will come again now. On the ball, nice. Kakari Martin comes in, and that was a poor round from Kakari.
At the start of Kotoko have been one of the teams with the most comebacks in the Ghana Premier League this season, and right from the plus of the whistle, they've shown good a chance.
A goal! What a comeback! Now, the coach shows emotions. Celebrating now.
Abdul Karim Zito and his charges, Benghazi, are up and doing.
2 goals in 2 minutes. 2 goals in 2 minutes for Kotoko. What a comeback. Pampoku with the finish for the Warriors. There it is. Long ball into the half of Hatsapok. Controlled there by Kampoku. It dropped. Kirby Adams cross to Amoah, and beautiful cutback, and a finish easy as that it is.
And
full finish there for Kampoku.
Again, Kounedu at fault, Benghazi. Kounedu was found wanting. He had to deal with the ball initially. Well, now that substitution would bring to mind.
Absolutely.
And why coach?
Change.
Yes.
Isa, good ball infield, and ball be cleared though by Zakara Husseini. Brilliant clearance from him.
Super defending, Benghazi. Great defending, but then again, a great ball right in front of Hamza Isa. But then, kudos to the defender of Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Right there, he was falling, but then he made sure.
Now do by Samba O'Neal. Has to work on the ball again now. On the left side. Cross comes in again, and again O'Neal with a clearance. Drops to Kakari on the ball now. Chance for him. Goes to the byline, and that was a poor one for Kakari. Out he goes for a goal kick for Kotoko.
Indecisiveness.
Kotoko have flicked on beautifully. And on the ball now for the Phobian club is Hamza. Hamza on the ball still. He goes for one man easily. Hamza goes in full now. Shot comes in. The ball has been blocked. Obviously, this place is gone, and play that's gone. Entry on the ball now for Kotoko. Entry controls the ball. He finds Lord Amoah on the right side. Amoah on the ball now. He goes in field. Challenged and brought down. Referee blows for an infringement for the Fabulous team. 70 minutes played now. 20 minutes to go. Still Fabulous Kotoko 1. 4 behind House of Folk 0. Sorry, 2-1 for the Fabulous team, to say.
Yellow card.
On the left side for Kotoko, he comes in field. Peter Amidou, he finds Emmanuel Entry. Entry with a good pass. Amoah is onside. Cross comes a chance, and what a miss from Kampoku. but he could not make it. Look at that. Look at that. He was always falling. He was always... Sorry for the long one outfield. Looking for option. Ball headed though. Has to work again now. Runs for Mensah. Good ball to Kakari now. Chance for Kakari. Goes in full now. Chance for Kakari. It's a goal! But the linesman's flag is up. The linesman's flag is up though for offside. Linesman's flag is up for offside. Look at it. Kakari with a chance. Let's see the replay. One past his man. And the cross came in. He was clearly offside.
He was offside, Benghazi.
He was offside.
He was offside. Good call.
He was clearly offside.
Referee. And the fans would not be happy with that call at all. But a good officiating from referee. And another yellow card has the referee.
Let's see the replay again. There it is. That's the first one. Kakari is onside. He's onside, so Kakari gets the ball. He goes infield, goes past one man. Let's see. He's still onside. Now let's look at the man here. He's still on. Let's see. Let's see. There it is. He was clearly offside.
Yeah, of course.
He was slightly offside.
Right call
So right
from the
call
referee.
from the referee.
And the players are not too happy. And again, we are disadvantaged in our part of the world, Benghazi. We don't have the luxury of VAR to get another view or give the referee a chance to review for everyone to see that indeed it was an offside. But as I would always say,
Picked up ball by Amankwa. He finds Kakari. Goes in for good ball from him now. Shot comes in, is in block. Referee says what? Penalty. Referee has blown for a penalty for Asante.
drama, Benghazi, pure drama. And look at Kamara. Kamara walking to the referee, disagreeing with that call there. But it is football for you. And as I said, the referee would always have the final say. And this time, referee Reginald calling someone has pointed to the spot. And what is it going to be? Would we see the equalizer?
Replay again now. Shot coming in and clearly off a penalty.
Clearly, Benghazi.
Clearly coming up.
Clear penalty. You see the distance from which
away from the body.
Exactly. And so a good call once again from referee calling some.
Will this be the leveler? Amankwa will have to go in. Amankwa Kamara, will it be the leveler here? He goes in, he shoots, it is saved. What a miss from Amankwa Emmanuel. He went in, the run-up was poor, and he has missed the golden chance for the Phobian club.
And look at Karim Zito. Karim Zito is up on his feet, but it was a poor kick from Amankwa. Goalkeeper Kamara decided to stay put to his spot. He didn't move, and he was there, and he was gifted a ball. Well, don't forget that Kamara.
If you belong to the Red Army, if you are with the rainbow colors, yes, the penalty, what could be going through his mind at this moment?
Trust me, Benghazi, a moment just.
He locates his man in midfield. He tests beautifully. The ball will be cleared. Chance for Asante now. He goes in field. Chance is still. And the Hasbrook team again will control. Amankwa finds Kakari. Kakari back to Amankwa. Amankwa to his man. A chance. And what a useless.
Would take a very, very long
one from Kamara. Flicked on by Yaya. I guess the ball to his man, Peter Amedu, who I'm told has been named the MVP for the game today. And referee has blown for the end of the game here. It is all over the Accra Sports Stadium. The foul plus from Kumasi came all the way from Kumasi to Accra. And they have brought Accra down, brought the Phobian club down with a sumptuous comeback win over Accra Asante. End of play scores here at the Accra Sports Stadium. President's Cup. Asante 1. Foul plus Kotoko 2.
Benghazi will go down memory lane, trust me. it would be one that I would always remember. It had everything in it. Hearts of Oak had the first half. They could have scored more in the first half. Kumasi Asante Kotoko came strongly right in the second half, scoring 2 quick fire goals, and we